Katrin. I live in the US Virgin Islands on St. Thomas. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. I thank Javi and everyone on the team and everyone in the Freedom Sprint as well. I thank everyone for their support. I feel like I have come a long way. I'm still not where I want to be, but I know I'm gonna get there. And when I do, I'll let you all know.
Almost did it's surprising because it's like I didn't necessarily believe I could do it, but I just did what I was being told to do in the course, and it happened. And then I was like, okay, you have so much more to do. I think that I just didn't know where to start, and like I didn't know how, or like I knew how, but it was also overwhelming. And so the fact that it's just broken down into digestible components, and then also just like there's the support to lean into, just being able to ask questions and get a little bit of guidance. I don't know, if I didn't make this choice, I just don't know what I would be doing right now.
Yeah.
I can't even take on all of the opportunities that are now opening up to me.
Wow.
Like, whoa. Like,
yeah.
Well, I really liked how everything was laid out. It was very easy to follow, and like for my type A brain, I enjoyed like having a next step to follow. All the accountability I thought was great, and then just like the support from all the other members as well.
There were so many resources and there was so much support between the calls and the Facebook group. I mean, the modules, there was all of it. I really don't have anything negative, but really just the resources and the support. There was so much, so for anybody who's wanting to do this and their heart is into it and they put everything they have, everything's there to help them be successful.
I think having the like step-by-step guidance of what to do, because when I first started, I didn't have a business at all. I'd been working as a dietitian in like clinic settings for a while and just really didn't know where to start or what I needed to do. But then also like the accountability and then the support and community, that like combination has been awesome.
To sum everything up, I just think the program was the one thing that was going to, without knowing it, was gonna push me into this direction. I just don't think that I would have done this without committing to the program. I think that I would still be toying with it and still be like hopping from nursing to nursing job and like just kind of letting life live me instead of living my life.
Like the community piece, just like being around like having access to like you guys and like being able to like bounce ideas off of other people, and like you having Marissa, like everyone, and like just the tools and stuff. Like I probably could have spent like, oh my God, hours just creating templates that you guys gave me, which was super helpful. Really, really good learning opportunity for me. Like no regrets. It honestly was a really great investment of my money. Yeah, I'd say it was really good. I actually just recommended
because I felt like this was going to be different, and it was health coaches, it was registered dietitians like myself. And you know what, I would say if you're on the fence about it and you're looking for direction, clear path, confidence, accountability, people that are treating you like a human and not just here to work on getting money, it's about getting money, obviously, it's all about that, but it's really about being a person with a purpose. And I think that's what I felt in this program, is that we're all encouraging each other to live our truths. And I felt like that with all the people in the accountability in the Facebook group, and just like everybody that we talk to, it's just like, we're all here to healthfully support each other, and it's not like a boot camp. It's literally just great people working together for a common ground of helping others. So I would say do it. Don't hesitate. Do it now. Don't do it later, because you will not regret it. Absolutely.